Do you want to boost your company's sales and attract more customers without throwing money away on ads? Imagine this: someone walking past your shop or scrolling online, and suddenly one flyer makes them stop, pay attention, and think, I can't miss this. That's the power of smart design. And today, I'll show you how to create that kind of flyer with Canva AI by applying a proven marketing strategy called AIDA: attention, interest, desire, and action. It's the psychology of how people respond to marketing. First they notice, then they get curious, then they start wanting, and finally they take action. The key is not just knowing this formula, it's applying it step by step in your flyer design. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you now: how to use Canva AI to apply this marketing strategy in practice. First, let's log into Canva AI. Once inside, go to the template section and choose a flyer template. For this demo, I'll pick a burger flyer to show you how to apply the AIDA marketing strategy step by step. We start with attention. I'll choose bold colors, big fonts, and a layout that pops. A headline like, "Buy one, get one free burger," instantly grabs attention. Next is interest. I'll add mouth-watering burger images and fun icons. Keep the text short but exciting, like, "Freshly grilled, limited time offer." This makes people curious. Now we build desire. I'll highlight the value, show the original price versus the promo, or add a before and after image. Emotional words like, "Treat yourself and a friend today," make it irresistible. Finally, action. At the bottom, I'll place a clear call to action. Canva AI can even generate a QR code. Something urgent like, "Order now, limited spots," tells people exactly what to do. Now let me show you how to add the QR code. In Canva AI, go to the Apps tab on the left sidebar and search for QR code. Enter the link you want people to visit. For example, your online order page. Then click Generate QR code, and Canva AI will place it directly into your flyer. I'll resize it and move it near the call to action, so customers can scan and order instantly. And once the flyer is ready, Canva AI lets you share it in different file types. You can export as PNG, JPEG, or PDF, depending on your needs. For this demo, I'll choose PDF because it's easy to share online and perfect for printing. That way, your burger promotion flyer is ready to reach customers anywhere. Hey everyone, thanks so much for sticking around till the end. I really appreciate you being here. I hope this demo gave you some fresh ideas to boost your design and marketing flow. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss what's next. Your support means a lot, and I can't wait to share more with you. See you in the next one.